Welcome back. Today, I'm showing you the automated multi-site morning brief, a zero-input template designed to get your team up to speed the moment they start their day. We've set this up to crawl the Verge and Product Hunt automatically. It hits the home pages and instantly grabs every trending title, ensuring you never miss a major headline or a hot product launch. Next, we head over to Product Hunt to see which apps are launching today. We've integrated a loop list node to cycle through the release list, pulling out essential app data and how to use descriptions for each entry. It's like having a dedicated researcher scouting the best new tech for your team while you're still finishing your coffee. As always, let's take a look at the Run tab. It is really important to check the agent's steps and verify the final result here. Monitoring this tab allows you to confirm that the scraper is correctly identifying the data before moving to the next stage. Now, let's move over to n8n. As you can see, the workflow is filled with detailed notes to guide you through every step. We begin by gathering our BrowserAct data every day, early in the morning. Once the extraction is complete, it's time for the content generation phase, where the AI takes over to transform those raw headlines into a professional brief. We use two parallel AI agents for this process. The top agent creates messages specifically for Slack, while the bottom one generates content for Telegram. We instruct both agents to produce user-friendly messages in an array format. By using an array, we can easily split the data into individual items and send them to Slack and Telegram using their respective APIs. For Telegram, the AI is instructed to format the output using HTML tags, whereas for Slack, we utilize Markdown. Check out the final output. Every single message comes with a direct reference link, so your team can dive deeper into the stories they care about most. We've kept the formatting consistent across both Slack and Telegram, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience. It's the ultimate morning setup. Thanks for tuning in.